Oh, there's home-canned raspberry jam.
Oh, there's everything here.
Gooseberries?
We shouldn't be here, you know. In
What
our
do you mean?
condition, we'll be much fatter when we leave.
Oh, but a public market has got to be my most favorite place.
Well, this absolutely intrigues me because these are all marvelous perennials, obviously grown at home. You've got bee balm and lupins and all kinds of wonderful things
Oh, but
here.
you mustn't stop right now.
No.
Because this is just the outer edge of the
Okay.
market. Oh, and look at the pumpkins.
Oh, I don't really want to. They're so much bigger than
Well,
ours.
no, they're a bit small.
Boy, look at those shallots, Bob. What a wonderful size they are. We never see them quite like that, do we?
Oh, jeez, the
Look
corn.
at that.
Where does your corn come from? Where's that?
In Quebec.
Oh,
Wonderful.
Oh, yes, on the way to Montreal, Quebec
Right.
City.
Now be careful.
Right on the St. Lawrence.
You're not going to eat it.
No, gee whiz. What is the difference in your corn? Because you've got two kinds.
Okay, this is one color. It's really, really sweet and
Sweet.
tender, and it's
Yeah.
a small grain.
Okay.
This is a delistable gum, it's called. It's two colors.
Ah.
White and yellow grain.
Great stuff.
Well, how much? How much for this? A
This
dozen?
one's $2.50.
And how much is this?
That one's $3.
Oh, really? It is sweet. No,
Have you got some money? Here, you better take this.
Thank you.
It is a really good
Great stuff.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, it all looks
Oh,
so
look,
good.
hey, look at the
broad
broad
beans.
beans.
Aren't they wonderful? And those leeks, of course. You're bound to love them.
You know what?
What?
It seems to me that, in fact, we're growing the same things. Look at the red
Well, I
potatoes.
think those red potatoes are quite common all across North America, but I love the great sacks of beets there too. And see, that would be nice to buy. You could bottle all those for
Well,
me.
I'm just looking for the price. $3 for a nice bag of beets.
Lovely.
That's good, you know.
Wonderful. But hey, Bob, this
What?
is, I've never seen such heads of broccoli. Look at this one with
Gorgeous.
the beautiful
Look at the purple
color
broccoli.
in there. That looks so
Gee,
good.
that's nice.
Yeah. It's wonderful.
And the cauliflower.
Flowers.
You know, hey, David.
Yeah?
The prices are first class.
Yeah.
My goodness, there's a cauliflower for $1.
Great stuff.
For pickling,
Good stuff.
my beans are all shot now in the garden, and they're first class here.
Good-looking mac apples there,
Beautiful
Bob.
apple. What's a melba?
Well, it's apparently a nice eating apple, and don't they look very
Pretty
good?
thing. Pretty thing.
But this is what intrigues me. I had the jelly here. This is a cucumber jelly. up
well,
on the top.
sure. And this one here is pumpkin jelly. For goodness sakes, I've never seen that before.
And there was something in the back here. This herb salad.
Herbs for salad.
So
and
you could put it in a soup.
And
or
it's
for-
used in
Oh,
soup. That's right.
They're wonderful things.
And here, well, I can't, you see there, it's like cherry of the earth.
oh, cherry, there's those.
Cerise terre.
You know what they
is-
are? They're
no.
ground cherries that grow on a long stem, like those Chinese lanterns that hang down. I
Oh,
bet that's real
okay.
tasty. I bet that's real
Beautiful.
tasty.
Oh, gee.
Nummy.
All right. Raspberry jelly.
Raspberry, strawberry.
Oh, gosh.
I don't know.
I thought you
It's
were going to
just-
buy an apple.
Well, I thought I might actually, yes.
Wait, look here. Look. Now that's pickling. Cucumber, pickled chips. That's gorgeous. And here's the butter.
Yeah.
Apple butter.
But let's go look at these
Oh.
flowers. Oh, see,
Oh,
they're
gosh.
garden flowers, Bob.
Look
Real
at this.
wonderful.
They've got socks
No,
here.
flowers,
Hmm?
Bob. Flowers. These lovely dried
Beautiful.
flowers.
Beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Look at that. Now,
Oh.
these are all the dried flowers?
Absolutely, all been grown locally. You've got helichrysum, which is straw flower, and then some of the status, but lovely colors in there.
And look at the vases.
Well, you see, this reminds me of when I was a kid in a way, because, for example, these are things that have been picked from somebody's garden. Like the colors all go together, the snapdragons,
Well,
the glads.
it wasn't too long ago we were in the Okanagan and saw baby's breath.
That's true,
eh?
that's true. But it's true, like, well, look at this. Isn't that pretty? You couldn't do better yourself.
Oh,
It's
well,
just
give it
lovely.
to me. No, that's very
And here,
nice.
look, there's salpiglassis, which I haven't seen for years. That wonderful thing called Persian carpet flower.
Gee, there's a
I
pretty
just
thing
love it.
over there. Here, let me just see
Sure.
if Huey can see this. This is lovely. Look at the color in that.
Oh, that's a gaillardia, which is absolutely
thing.
wonderful. And of course, right next to it, the brilliant blue, is Baxter's buttons. Oh, this is fun. You could take these
Here,
home and make...
look at this color, David. What's
Yes.
that now?
Well, that's a large orange cosmos. I
Gee,
think.
that's a
Yeah,
pretty thing.
It's beautiful.
Oh,
they're
it's
just-
lovely.
Just great.
I wonder
love
what
this
a little
place.
bouquet like that would cost.
I don't know, but you're...
Oh, look at the pies.
Oh, we're going to have to keep you
No,
away from
no
this.
kidding.
Aren't they
What
gorgeous
a good buy
pies?
that is. Look, the fresh blueberries,
Yes.
blueberry pie, $4 for a pie.
Oh,
and
very
you can buy honeycomb, and you can buy all kinds of
we
things.
could put on pounds and pounds, Bob.
Look at the tomatoes.
Oh.
See, look.
But-
$1 for, what did you call those in England?
Punnets. Those are
punnet,
little punnet
that's right.
baskets. But aren't they wonderful tomatoes?
Gorgeous tomatoes.
Put ours to shame. And
Here,
then
look here now.
These are little hot peppers in the
Yeah.
growing in the pots.
What
But,
is that?
Well, see, we saw the ground cherry.
The jelly?
The jelly, and this is it. These are the things that they make from inside. Let me show you.
There it
Inside there is a cherry, which is, it's really related to the tomato. Wonderful stuff.
Hey, David, I got
Yeah.
a question to ask you. Look
Hmm.
at the rhubarb. My rhubarb at home now is totally gone.
Well, it must be the
What
climate
is it?
and second crop. But the thing that I just love here, it's all this color.
Hey, for Pete's sake.
Well-
Have you ever seen anything nicer than that?
The zinnias all the way through, and look,
Never mind, the dahlias.
look, a bucket of dahlias.
That's right.
Oh,
That's right.
What a sight for sore eyes
This is absolutely a superb market. Is there anywhere else you want to go?
Actually, yes, there
where?
is. There was
Where?
a little garden centery place at the end. Just want to show you one thing
Okay,
there.
all right.
See, a garden center with all kinds of things that you see in regular garden centers all across the country.
Yeah.
Nice to have it tied in.
Yeah.
But look over here, Bob. This wonderful collection of perennials, like a cottage garden. Things that you could
Okay.
come and put in your garden right away. This is a foxtail grass. Festuca, I think is the common name. $9.99. You'd
Yeah.
go for that, wouldn't you?
Here now, look here. That's the Virginia.
Beautiful thing. And of course, very hardy all across the country. So no matter where we lived, we could grow that.
So the idea here is it's good-sized material that people can buy.
You could go home and slip this into a border right now. This
Boy,
I've never
that's
seen
beautiful.
for sale on the coast. And it's the physalis, which is the lovely Chinese lantern. And it's related to the ground cherry that we just
Again?
were looking at,
Yeah,
you see.
yeah.
But this one, we should tell everybody, is poisonous. So don't go eating the little berries inside here.
What's this dainty little guy?
Oh.
This is really pretty.
Well, this
What's
is
that?
a thalictrum, which is, well, thalictrum is its name.
Gee, that's a
and
pretty thing.
the point is, it's nice and moist. You could go and tap it out of the pot, plant it in the garden. Almost makes you want to move here, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Look here now. Pretty gentle tree.
Feel
What's
it.
this?
Soft and gentle. You know why? It's the larch, the weeping larch. The one that grows right up at the snow line in the Rockies in the
Yes,
European
yes.
mountains.
Huh.
Beautiful thing.
I like that.
Well-
Don't just push that aside.
so-
Look here.
Well, that I guess I push it aside because it's a cedar, thuya, which we can all grow no matter where we live.
and that lovely yellow color. What's
That's
that?
the white mulberry, which
I
you,
don't-
Morris alba. You know, we used to have mulberry pies when I was a little kid. But you don't see mulberries so much in Western Canada, that's true. And this you love, don't you?
Yes, I do.
This is
That-
actually the
that's
smoke
smoke.
bush,
You bet.
which is Catinus, and we've seen that in the Dominion Research Station in Ottawa.
Yes, and
Yeah, which
wonderful
was
when it has its smoke,
all
as I
the
call it.
flowers on it.
What, now, what's that bigger tree over in the corner?
Way
with
over in the
well,
corner
that
here.
Lovely, gentle
This-
green.
Actually, this is a Russian olive, and you know where we saw that? That's Elaeachnus. We saw it in the Arboretum when we were in Creston, British Columbia. So
That's
it
right.
can
The
tolerate,
wayside,
Wayside gardens.
Wayside gardens.
so it can tolerate really cold temperatures.
So really, just in a little square in Quebec City, we've traveled Canada?
Well, that's right. Plants that you could grow almost anywhere you live in this country.
Wonderful.